All right, y'all, I'm on the way to Best Buy to return the Alienware 3432. And we're gonna get something a little bigger. So we're gonna see what's up. All right, y'all. Yeah, your boy on the way to Best Buy to return the Alienware. And don't get me wrong, man, it's a beautiful, beautiful display. I don't think I ever game on a TV again. Moving forward, I'm gaming on a computer gaming monitor, and so we're gonna return this and see if we can get the LG 45-inch. What's the name of that? The 45-inch. I'm gonna put a picture up, but yeah, I'm gonna spend a little bit more money, but. With that one, it looked like that one had more height. Now, I was looking at the 49-inch, and man, that one looked nice as far as first-person, third-person shooter games, race car games. But nah, that ain't. And as far as doing any editing and stuff like that, but that's just too wide for me. I think 34-inch is a sweet spot. But I want to see how this 45-inch look. We're going to see. But that's it, y'all. There you go. Going back to Best Buy. All right, just made it to Best Buy. That's the one we're going to get, y'all, right here. That's it. All right, y'all. Leaving Best Buy. Boy, got it. The UltraGear 45-inch. All right. See if we can get this in the back seat. So I went on Best Buy website to do some research, because I'm trying to edit this video, put it together. And guess what I seen? I seen the LG UltraGear 45-inch. The price dropped about $400. So I paid $16.99 for it last night. Now it's going for $12.99. That's not bad, y'all. For $12.99 for this gaming monitor, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Compared to $16.99, I mean, shit, $12, I'd take it. The boy just left Best Buy, so they refund me $433. So we good to go. My final thoughts, man, looking at movies on this gaming monitor, looking at YouTube videos and sports, and even gaming on it, man. I love it. This is the ultimate gaming monitor for me. I love it. I love it. I love it.